Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can set autosave in BricsCAD. So let's get straight into it. So I will show you two options. So the quickest one here is that you type in this command line save time and hit enter. Now you see here that you can put in a value for save time. So that means if you type in here 10, this means that every 10 minutes it will be saved. So if you want to disable it, just hit 0. Now the other thing, other way that you can do that is type in right here in the command line settings and hit enter. Now right here, now we can go to the program options and we will find here two things. So under the files, we will find here save file path. We can also change that. So here we will see where this autosave is saving our files. Now under here open and save, you can set up this save time interval right here. So if I type in here 5, it will mean that every 5 minutes this thing will save my work. And that's basically it. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.